Hiya guys, welcome back to another video. This will be my third time flying the Parrot Bebop 2. As you can see, I've got the battery in and the phone connected up. When I first got this drone, there was a lot of misunderstanding surrounding how to connect the joypad to the Bebop. Basically, you just have to turn the Wi-Fi off and the Bluetooth, but don't just like slide up the screen and turn it off. Actually go into the settings and turn it off from the settings. It can interfere and your drone will just fall from the sky, so that's the best way to do it. Yeah, I'll actually show you just now actually. So I'll just put my password in. So yeah, here's the phone. You don't want to slide up like this. Obviously this is the Wi-Fi and stuff on, so you want to turn this off here. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be off. Go into your settings, make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything is off. Once that is off, you want to turn on the joypad with the little button here, and it should automatically load up. Give it a couple of seconds. It takes its time, but basically it says Free Flight Pro. You want to allow this. Once this is turned on, you then want to turn on your Parrot Bebop 2. Just give that a couple of seconds. The red light will flash. This light here will flash. And once this light goes green, then we'll be ready to basically go. It can take a couple of seconds, obviously. So this is the flight, this is everything set up ready to go. Basically we want to go into the flight and film, and we want to check the battery life, which is 96%. You've got GPS, which is 100% as well. So yeah, we're basically ready to go. Someone left a comment in one of my videos regarding flying around built up areas, so I'd just like to thank that person. I know you know who you are, and like I said, that was like one of my first videos. I didn't have a clue about the drone code, but now that I do, so I am going to be having a wee shot about there. This is just like a local golf course. It's a free golf course, anybody can come here. But aye, without further ado, here we go.
angry with now. Oh! I know.
Was exciting. Third time flying the drone. It was funny when the lady's dog was following her drone and she was trying to get to go home. That was something special. That was it'll make for a good wee video. The Parrot Bebop 2 is probably this year the best buy that I've got so far. Yeah, so anyway guys, thanks for watching, and until the next one,